Hello friends, in this session I'll take you through another important topic of quantitative aptitude, which is called permutation and combination. And in case you are clear with your fundamentals of permutation and combinations, you will be able to solve the questions on probability as well. And most of these competitive examinations, which are aptitude centric, you get a lot of questions from permutation and probability. So I'll try to explain you the concept first, and then we can move on to solving those questions. So very first thing which I would like you to understand in permutation combination is the difference between the two. Or where to apply permutation and where to apply combination. This combination will be applied when you want to, in case of selection. So let's say in case there are n distinct items and you want to select r items out of these n distinct items. So when it is a case of selection, you use combination, which is given by NCR, that is n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial. While in case you want to first select and then arrange those items. So permutation is first selection and then arrangement of selected items. Now rather than using P, what you can do select R out of N. Selection of R out of N distinct item is done in NCR ways, and these R item which have been selected can now be arranged in R factorial ways, which is also given by NPR. Now you need to equate left hand side with right hand side, and that can be done because NCR is n factorial over R factorial into n minus R factorial multiplied by R factorial will give you n factorial over n minus R factorial, which is the expanded form of NCR. So this cancels and left hand side becomes equal to right hand side. So two ways, either you work first select and then arrange those selected items, or you directly apply NPR, that is going to give you the same resultant. Let's take a small example. Let's say in a classroom of 20 students, from a classroom of 20 students, you want to form a cricket team. Of 11 players. In how many ways can this be done? So it is simple case of selection of 11 out of 20, which can be done in 20C11 ways. Selection of 11 out of 20 in 20C11 ways. But my question would have been, from a classroom of 20 students, you want to form a cricket team of 11 players, let's say, and then arrange them in batting order or batting lineup. So you can select 11 out of 20 in 20C11 ways. Now you have 11 players with you. Now you need to know or demarcate well in time that which player will go in first place, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, and so on and so forth till 11th. So you want to arrange those 11 players. And arrangement of those 11 players in 11 position will happen in 11 factorial ways. And this is also equal to 20p11. So that's what I was saying. You can either apply 20p11 or select 11 out of 20 and then arrange those 11 in 11 factorial ways. How is this arrangement of 11 is being done in 11 factorial ways? Because I know that there are 11 positions wherein the players can come for batting lineups. The first position can be filled by any of these 11 players. The second can be done in 10 ways, then 9 ways, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So multiplication of this is nothing but 11 factorial. So this is arrangement of 11 players which are selected out of 20 players in a batting lineup. So this is a very simple concept on permutation and combination, and this example will help you to differentiate where to apply P and where to apply C, and that's very important for you to solve questions on permutation and combination. So you must know this. Thank you so much.